Hey everyone, if you're getting into SAP ABAP, we got to talk about two tools that really separate the beginners from the pros: T-Code SE93 and the SE80 Object Navigator. Today, we're going to break down exactly what they are and why knowing them is a huge deal for building real-world, professional apps.
You've been there, right? We all have. You need to do one simple thing, but you have to click through this absolute maze of SAP menus just to get there. It's slow, it's a pain, and you just know there's got to be a better way.
Let's make this super real. Picture someone in finance who has to run the exact same sales report every single morning. That's like 5, maybe 6 different screens they have to click through every single day. Talk about a productivity killer, right? There has to be a better way.
And lucky for us, there is. This is where the T-Code shortcut comes into play, and it's the simple fix for this really annoying problem. We're going to create it using a little something called transaction code SE93.
So what exactly is a transaction code, or T-code as you'll always hear it? Honestly, just think of it like a keyboard shortcut for SAP. Instead of clicking through all those menus, a user just types a short code, like VA01, and boom, they're directly at the screen to create a sales order. Yeah, it's really that simple.
And this is where we, the developers, come in. SE93, well, that's our tool. That's the T-code we use to build our own custom T-codes. It's the magic wand that lets us take a complicated program and just slap a simple, easy-to-remember shortcut on it for our users.
And the workflow here, it's super simple but really powerful. It's just 3 steps. Step 1, the developer, that's you, builds a program. Step 2, you hop into SE93 and create that nifty little shortcut. And step 3, the end user gets a simple, clean T-code. A multi-step process is now just one easy step.
Okay, so that's all great for the user, but you might be asking yourself, where does the actual program behind that shortcut live? We know there's all this code and logic working in the background, so where do we manage all that stuff?
Well, that brings us to the other side of the coin, the Developer's Control Center. Welcome to the world of T-Code SE80.
The SE80 Object Navigator is, without a doubt, the central hub for all ABAP development. If SE93 is the simple front door for the user, SE80 is the entire workshop, where you build everything that's behind that door. This is where all the real development magic happens. And I mean, SE80 is the whole shebang. It's not just for programs. It's where you create, view, and manage pretty much all of your development objects in one spot. We're talking programs, function modules, classes, packages, you name it, it's in there.
Okay, so we've got SE93 for the simple, user-facing shortcut, and SE80 as the developer's back-end powerhouse. Let's connect these dots and talk about why this is so important for your career.
Here's the most crucial takeaway. These two tools work as a team. SE80 is your powerful workshop where you build the complex engine of your application. Then, SE93 is what you use to create that simple, clean dashboard for your users. You see, mastering both of them is the secret to building those really professional, user-friendly applications that companies are looking for.
So here's the complete picture, right? For the end user, their world is that simple T-code you made with SE93. Easy. But for you, the developer, you're managing this whole universe of components back in the SE80 hub. They're totally two sides of the same coin.
And listen, this is why this stuff is non-negotiable. Knowing how SE93 and SE80 play together isn't just a nice-to-have skill. It is absolutely fundamental for real-world projects. And trust me, it's something that comes up in technical interviews. It shows you get the entire development lifecycle, from the deep-down logic to the user-friendly front end.
All right, so now that you've got this core concept down, what's next? How do you take this and keep on learning?
Well, it's pretty simple. If this explanation clicked for you, then your next step should be to subscribe to the Code ABAP YouTube channel and come join our community. We've got tons of explainers just like this one. Our whole mission is to do exactly what we did right here. Take these big, complex ABAP topics and break them down so they make sense. It doesn't matter if you're a total beginner or a seasoned pro. It's a great place to level up your skills.
So, I'm going to leave you with this question. Now you know how to build something powerful in the Developers Hub and then create a simple, elegant shortcut for everyone to use. What's the first problem you're going to solve? What will you build first? Thanks for hanging out with me today.